In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Level 2 on Thinkorswim. By the end, you'll have a live view of market depth, so you can see where buyers and sellers are lining up across multiple venues. Level 2 can help you gauge liquidity, spot potential areas of support and resistance, and better understand how orders are stacking up beyond the best bid and ask. Start by opening the Thinkorswim desktop platform and logging in. Give the platform a moment to load your workspace. We'll be working in the left-hand sidebar, which is where gadgets live and where you'll add the Level 2 panel. Look down to the bottom left corner of the platform and click the plus icon labeled Add Gadget. This opens the Gadget menu, which lists tools you can dock into the sidebar for quick access. From that menu, select Level 2. As soon as you choose it, a Level 2 window will appear in your sidebar, ready to accept a symbol. Now, click into the symbol field at the top of the Level 2 gadget and type the stock you want to monitor. You can use any valid ticker. Popular, actively traded symbols will typically show more depth. After you enter the symbol, the order book will populate automatically. You'll see bids on one side and asks on the other, streaming from multiple market centers and electronic communication networks. Here's how to read what you're seeing. The top lines reflect the best bid and best ask, which together form the current inside market. Below those, you'll notice additional price levels showing how much size is available and where it's sitting. Each row represents a price level and the aggregated quantity available at that level from various venues. This is your depth of market, a snapshot of potential liquidity beyond the top of book. A few quick tips to make sense of the flow. If the data looks thin or static, the market may be closed, the symbol may be illiquid, or your data may be delayed. Real-time Level 2 typically requires appropriate market data permissions with your broker. Also, different venues may update at slightly different speeds, so expect rapid changes during active trading. That's all there is to the setup. Open Thinkorswim desktop and log in, click the Add Gadget plus icon, choose Level 2, type your symbol, and watch the order book fill with bids and asks from multiple venues. With this view in place, you'll have a clearer picture of supply, demand, and potential price pressure as you navigate the markets.